Oh no, because you don't want to get a chunky because that's the
No, I was gonna say this straight.
Yeah.
So that's it. So that's what you need to see. You see the no, this is a 5 Come on, Dad. What's up, Shad? My baby eating and feeding the birds. Good job, Snowman. Good job, baby boy. Feeding the birds.
Was a beautiful, exciting moment of baby Snow with the dad, Jacquees, having fun and going out to a father-son moment. Going into the comment section to see what people literally say about this. One comes in to say, this is so beautiful. They're saying the baby bigger than the dirt, and I'm saying he definitely will be playing football like his granddad and uncle. He's going to be big. And I'm saying you are a wonderful father. And I'm saying the great Snooks. And I'm also saying we love how you love your son and spending time with him. And then also saying I like when Pops out training, too cute. And then also coming in to say I love this, and I'm saying baby so big and chunky, and I'm saying them turkey legs, he's so damn durable. So what do you think about this moment? Comment, like, share, and also subscribe. Bye bye and ciao ciao.